Let me ask you something. Have you ever said this to yourself? I eat healthy. I don't eat junk food. I even stopped sugar. But still my weight is not going down. And every morning you step on the weighing scale, you look down and the number is exactly the same, or worse, it went up. You feel confused, you feel angry, you feel tired. You start thinking, is something wrong with my body? Is my metabolism broken? Why does weight loss work for everyone except me? If this sounds like you, then please stay with me till the end of this video, because today I will tell you the real reasons why you're not losing weight even when you are eating healthy. Warning, some of these reasons may shock you, some may hurt your ego a little, but they will change your life if you understand them. And trust me, this video is not about starving, extreme dieting, or gym torture. Relax, sit comfortably, and let's uncover the truth. Eating healthy does not always mean eating for weight loss. Here is the biggest mistake most people make. They think healthy food means weight loss food, but this is not always true. Let me give you an example. Avocado is healthy, right? Nuts are healthy, right? Olive oil is healthy, right? Yes, they are very healthy, but they are also very high in calories. If you eat too much of them, your body will store fat even if the food is healthy. Your body does not understand labels like organic, natural, homemade. Your body only understands calories in versus calories out. You can gain weight eating healthy food if you eat more than your body needs. This is why some people say, I eat only healthy food, but still I'm fat. Now you know what you are eating too much without realizing it. Be honest with yourself. Do you eat directly from the packet? Take second servings without thinking? Add just a little more oil while cooking. Drink smoothies thinking they don't count. Small things add up. 1 extra spoon of oil every day means weight gain in 1 month. 1 extra handful of nuts every day means weight gain in 2 months. Liquid calories are the biggest trap. Fruits, juices, smoothie, tea which use milk, sugary coffee, they look harmless, but they quietly stop your weight loss. Healthy does not mean balanced. Many people eat healthy food, but their meals are not balanced. They eat too many carbs, still little protein, almost no fiber. Body needs protein to burn fat. Without protein, you feel hungry all the time. Your muscles become weak. Your metabolism slows down. Ask yourself, do I eat protein in every meal? Protein examples: eggs, paneer, tofu, chicken, fish, lentils, beans, Greek yogurt. If your plate is only rice, vegetables, your body will struggle to lose weight. You're sleeping less, and it is killing your fat loss. This is very important. If you sleep less than 7 hours, your weight loss becomes very difficult. Why? Because lack of sleep increases hunger hormones, reduces fat-burning hormones, makes you crave sugar and junk food. You may eat perfectly all day, but bad sleep at night can destroy everything. Weight loss does not happen only in the kitchen or gym. It also happens in your bed. Stress is making you hold fat. Let me ask you something. Are you overthinking a lot? Always worried? Emotionally tired? Mentally stressed? Then listen carefully. Stress increases a hormone called cortisol. High cortisol means body holds fat, especially belly fat. Even if you eat less, even if you exercise, stress can block weight loss. That's why some people lose weight easily on vacation but gain weight during stressful work days. Your mind controls your body more than you think. You are moving, but not enough. Many people say, I walk daily. I do housework. I am active. That's good. But sometimes it's not enough. Your body adapts quickly. If you do the same activity every day, your body burns fewer calories. You need slightly more intensity or longer duration, or strength training. Muscle burns fat even when you rest. If you only do cardio and no strength training, your weight loss may slow down. The weighing scale is lying to you. This part is very important. That weight loss is not always visible on the scale. You may be losing fat, gaining muscle, reducing inches, but the scale shows the same number. Muscle weighs more than fat. Stop checking weight every day. Instead, check clothes fitting, body measurements, energy levels, mirror change. Trust the process. Weekend cheating is ruining your progress. You eat clean Monday to Friday, then weekend comes pizza, burgers, sweets. Late nights. Do you think it's okay? I deserve it. But 2 days of overeating can destroy 5 days of discipline. That weight loss needs consistency, not perfection. That hormones and medical conditions. Don't ignore this. Sometimes it's not your fault. Conditions like posted thyroid issues, insulin resistance can slow weight loss. If you are trying everything and still nothing works, please consult a doctor. There is no shame in asking for help. You are being too hard on yourself. Let me say this clearly. You are not lazy. You are not weak. You are not a failure. Weight loss is not easy. It is emotional. It is mental. It is physical. Progress is slow. But slow progress is still progress. What you should do from today. Action steps. Here are simple steps. Eat balanced meals. Protein and fiber. Control portions. Sleep at least 7 hours. Reduce stress. Move your body daily. Be consistent. Patient. That's it. No. Extreme dieting. And starvation. And punishment. Ending. If you stayed till here, I want you to know something. You are doing better than you think. Weight loss is not a straight line. Some days you win. Some days you learn to don't quit. Because the day you quit is the day nothing changes. But the day you continue even slowly, your life changes forever. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe. And comment below. I choose progress, not perfection. I'll see you in the next video.